how to remove YouTube account from TV or how to sign out your YouTube account from TV. Now, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up the YouTube application there and you want to head into your profile. If you want to head into your profile, you want to tap on the U option that you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you can see my profile has opened up. On the profile, you can see under the profile name there's switch account option and Google account option. You want to tap on Google account option and it'll ask you to choose a Google account. Choose the account that you wish to remove from the TV. Now suppose I have this second Napoleon YT account logged into my TV. What you want to do is I want to tap on it and it'll open this page up here. You can see what you want to do is at the home personal info and data and privacy option, you want to swipe to the right and you can see security option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, if you scroll down below here, you'll see the option that says your devices. If you tap on manage all devices there, it'll show you the list of devices that your account is logged in on. All you have to do is you'll have to tap on that particular device that your account is logged in on, and you can see sign out option. Simply tap on sign out and you'll get signed out from that particular TV as well. So this way you can remove YouTube account from TV. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.